Have parties announced for the record.
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Warren Wolf, John Ochoa.
Good.
All right, are you Mr. Ochoa?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney, and did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Are you the same John Anthony Ochoa who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 008773 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams on October 21st, 2024 for a period of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 15th day of November 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, John Anthony Ochoa, did then and there consume alcoholic beverages in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
Sure.
State will waive the remaining.
No
Any
objection.
objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to deny state's motion, alter and amend to implement GPS work release and intensive outpatient treatment.
All right, and what's happening with the new number 1 case?
That is out of county, Judge.
Okay,
It's pending and he needs to deal with that.
all right.
If you grant him continued supervision, the jail will notify Wilson County and get him. If they don't, I told them if they release him and Wilson County doesn't get him within the time frame, that he'll need to deal with that situation, get an attorney and deal with that case.
All right, state you may be
Thank you,
excused.
Judge.
Probation. What is probation's recommendation on Ochoa?
That is the recommendation that are currently held at the national alternative for instance of outpatient.
All right, do you know you're not allowed to drink while you're on probation?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why are you doing it?
It was just my mistake.
No, I mean, it's not a mistake. These were choices that you were making. So why are you making these choices? I mean, do you want to go to prison?
No, ma'am.
Then you need to start acting as though you don't want to go to prison, because your actions are saying you want to go to prison, or either you want somebody not to catch you, right? And you just slide through this probation. But at some point in time, this is what I've discovered in my time on the planet. At some point in time, everything catches up to you, right?
Right.
So if you don't start treating probation seriously, you're looking at going to prison, and you're looking to going up to prison for up to 20 years. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you live in Wilson County?
No.
And have you had any employment since you've been on probation?
Yes.
Doing what?
I was doing piping and fabricating for a company called CJI.
All right, I'll deny the motion. Alter and amend conditions to include the following. And I'm sorry, as previously stated, the court is finding violation of condition number 2 true. The court is gonna,
Judge, I have a copy of the court summary if you want to
Oh,
make
thank
their
you.
recommendation.
thank you. All right, the court is going to place you on partial GPS for employment only until further notice. Waive GPS fees. Ms. Abrams, the intensive outpatient treatment, I mean, was that previously recommended by the TAP evaluation? Because what he's pled true is drinking alcohol. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
John Anthony Ochoa.
All right, so you've already pled true to violation of condition number 2. Court is already going to deny the motion. My question now, because I'm trying to, Yeah.
So Judge, the last TAP recommendation was for him to go to local ISF. And he did local ISF, we completed it successfully 124 days. So being that he had done that, although we did not move, or the state did not move forward on the other number 2, he was positive also for methamphetamines on that day.
okay.
He admitted, he didn't, well,
Well, I know he didn't. I'm just trying to figure out whether or not.
something happened in December that just relapsed.
Right.
He went through the program. He
Well, I can tell you,
completed-
counsel, what I'm just trying to figure out is whether intensive outpatient treatment is appropriate or if it should be something less. That's why I'm asking him about drug use and alcohol use. So how often were you using alcohol since you've been on probation?
Not often.
What does that mean?
To really just that one slip of,
And with the methamphetamine?
with the methamphetamine, not gonna lie, I did relapse, but I ended up stopping.
All right. Do you not have a sponsor?
Sponsor?
Mhm. You probably need to get a sponsor because you need somebody to call when you're thinking about using. So you can talk to them and say, hey, I'm at a bar. Because your sponsor will probably say, leave the bar, or either the sponsor will say, I'm on my way over. You need somebody to hold you accountable outside of just probation. You understand?
Yeah, I understand. But that's kind of like the reason why I did stop, because I did meet somebody and she's been keeping me off. She was keeping me on track.
Okay. All right. The court will deny the motion to alter the main conditions, partial GPS for employment only until further notice. So what that means is while you're on GPS, you can only go to work. That's it. If you're driving from work and you see a fast food place and you're like, hey, let me stop there and grab something, you're not allowed to do that. You're only allowed to leave your house, go to work, leave work, go back home. You understand?
Yes.
All right. And there'll be intensive outpatient treatment through probation. Probation, anything else?
Okay.
And I'm going to add 50 hours of community service restitution. And for every sober support meeting you complete, an hour will be deducted from your community service. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
I was gonna ask, because I'm expecting I just found out I'm expecting a baby soon, so like can I get leeway that for doctor's appointments, we were show up to the doctor's appointments or?
All right. So we'll cross that bridge when we get there because I have no idea what's going to happen with Wilson County. What I can tell you is if the Wilson County issues are resolved, if I'm still here, you come back here and you let me know, or either you let probation know and we'll address that. I'm sure if you're doing well, that I will allow you to do that.
All right. Thank
If
you.
you're not doing well, it's probably not going to happen.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So it'll be completely up to you whether you're allowed to or not, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. And here's the thing, you're going to have a baby. Be someone that baby will be proud to say, that's my dad, and make sure that you are in that child's life and listen to the child, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you
welcome.
very much, Judge. May I
You're
be
welcome.
excused?
Yes. Hey, counsel, how's everything going?
Okay, so it's
And how's my friend doing?
not as good as before.
Okay, well, I'm still keeping my prayers.
Steps forward and steps backward.
All right, well, tell him he's gonna have to keep doing the steps forward. Otherwise, I'm gonna write his biography for him.
I will.
I don't think he wants me to write it. All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 002602 State versus Megan Sanchez. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Eddie Garcia for Ms. Sanchez.
And are you Ms. Sanchez? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
And Ms. Sanchez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are you waiving the reading of the indictment?
I am, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge, but now that I'm thinking about it, I think I neglected to put the prior judgments in our stipulation.
Oh, that's okay. Let me give that to you.
Thank you, Judge. Excuse me.
All right, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Sanchez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with theft, $2,500 to $30,000 as a state jail felony. Oh, you did it.
I thought it was
Awesome.
a different charge.
Thank you.
It's an aggregate, so we're good.
Sorry about that.
No problem. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call on the right to remain silent. Counsel, here you go. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes,
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Ms. Sanchez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your-
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulate, the court will find that defendant has knowingly, and it's Friday Eve. The court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, according to the plea, there's a $1,200 fine probated and the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense and state?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Any such motions?
No such motion.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution. Did you, and the theft course in MRT. Probation, are you ready?
He has a copy as well.
All right, thank you. Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
Cindy, are you ready?
Mhm.
All right, there's to be no contact with the Hebner Oaks Shopping Center locations and the locations of Academy at 2643 Northwest Loop 410, San Antonio, Texas 78230, Alta, ULTA at 11745 IH10 West 701, San Antonio, Texas 78230, Victoria's Secret at 11745 Block IH10 West northbound San Antonio, Texas 78230, and Bath and Body Works at 11745 IH10 West San Antonio, Texas 78230. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Yes.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offers State's Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
Without objection, Your Honor.
All right. And state, is there any restitution?
No, Judge, all items were recovered.
All right, thank you. You may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, who is who is Melanie Sanchez to you?
My sister.
And who's the older sister?
I'm the older.
I'm sorry?
I'm the older sister.
All right, and how old is your sister Melanie?
She's my age.
Okay. And who is Sean Lyons?
Sean Lyons? I don't know who.
Okay. They have these as other people who are involved. I don't know, maybe they were the people at the store, Mia Wells, Joe Warris, Erica Jones.
No.
All right, so why were you all stealing?
It was just to make money, but I understand that that's not the right way to make money. And I take full responsibility for my actions.
Well, why did you need to make money? Did you have employment?
At that time, no, I wasn't employed.
And why were you not employed?
I just wasn't employed. There's no excuse for why I wasn't employed at the time.
So are you employed now?
No, ma'am. I'm currently taking classes right now.
How old are you?
I'm 24.
All right, so how are you supporting yourself? No, I mean, how do you support yourself? Because it takes money to live. You have to eat.
No, yeah, I understand.
So-
Get assistance from government
Why?
because I don't have a job. So.
No, I mean, help me, because I'm trying to understand. You say you're receiving government assistance
Yes, ma'am.
because you don't work.
That's okay.
Who
So,
lives with her mother.
Insert after final sentencing statement. Requirements: 120, 180 words summarize final outcome, explain judges, ruling, explain broader legal implications, reflect emotional weight of hearing, end with exact CTA below required CTA, use word for word. If you found this case as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful courtroom breakdowns.
What I can do now is just take
no,
responsibility.
I understand.
I can't go back and change what I did, but I can definitely move forward. Yes.
Okay. And I'm trying to understand, and the reason why I ask these questions, I'm trying to understand what conditions of probation would be appropriate for you. So I'm trying to see mentally where you are.
You did mention that you're in nursing school.
Yeah, at the moment, I'm in the process of trying to obtain my certification as a, I just want to be a better role model for my sons.
Okay, so this is what I'm going to tell you, and I'm sure your attorney's already talked to you about this. Any occupation that requires a license, they do background checks. Doesn't matter really if it's deferred or not, it's going to be there. Not saying you will be precluded from getting your license, but you just made it harder.
Yeah.
Because this is considered a crime of moral turpitude. You understand?
My research, so yes, I'm aware.
Okay. And does your sister live at home with your mom as well?
No, she doesn't.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Probation, after her initial reporting, if you all want to just do Zoom, since she has a child and she's in school. No? Okay.
She also lives in Zavala County, Judge.
Okay, and where is Zavala?
2 hours from here.
All right. And there's to be, requires a transfer, Ms. Abrams?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear where.
Zavala County?
Yes.
All right, there's to be a transfer to Zavala County. What city is that? Is it Zavala?
Bristol City.
It's Bristol City.
Bristol City, okay. So be a transfer to Zavala County. 120 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once parenting classes are completed, 60 hours will deem satisfied. I'm going to order the felony theft course. Once that's completed, the remaining 60 hours will be deemed satisfied. And there can be regular regular UAs or either the patch. There's going to be proof of employment within 60 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no contact with Hebner Oaks Shopping Center and the following locations: Academy at 2643 Northwest Loop 410, 78203. Alta at 11745 IH 10 West, 701. (78203). That's the zip code. Victoria's Secret at 11745 IH 10 West northbound, 78203. And Bath and Body Works at 11745 IH 10 West, 78203. Field visits once per month for 2 months. If they do field visits where it's going to be, $1,200 fine probated. And Ms. Abrams, the TAP evaluation can be done out of custody. Probation, is there anything else?
No.
Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you. Make better choices. All right. All right, is this still contested?
No, Your Honor, subject to court approval.
Okay. Court is calling 2025 CR 00315 State versus Melinda Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Joseph Acevedo for the defendant.
And are you Ms. Gonzalez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Melinda Juanita Gonzalez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2025 CR 03315 for assault on June 3rd, 2025 for a period of 1 year? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Proceeding on state's motion to supplement the pending motion to enter adjudication of
Thank you.
guilt.
I don't have that.
Okay, I'll
Did
put-
you review the supplemental as well with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you have a,
I can print you a copy, Judge.
oh, I think Rashad is bringing it, so that'll save you. That's it. All right, thank you. All right, state, you may proceed.
Violated condition number 8, on or about the 6th day of March 2026 in Karnes County, Texas. The defendant, Melinda Juanita Gonzalez, departed Bexar County without written permission of the court and or supervision officer in violation of condition number 8.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
True.
State will waive the remaining allegations.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 8, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 8?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 8 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, the proposed agreement is to grant state's motion, enter an adjudication of guilt, revoke supervision and sentence to 68 days in the Bexar County Jail.
You said 68
Yes,
days?
Judge.
And is that the proposed agreement?
Subject to court approval, yes, Your Honor.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court will follow your proposed agreement. The court will revoke, find you guilty, sentence you to 68 days in the Bexar County Jail. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Rudy, R-U-D-Y, Gonzalez. And Christina Maria Rodriguez. And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification? I'm sorry, and I'll give you credit for any time served, of course. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did
Yes.
you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it?
Yes.
All right, because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you. Do better, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Whenever I hear your last name, it reminds me of the Night Gallery. Did you ever watch Night Gallery?
No, but it reminds me of the movie with Mel Gibson.
But in Night Gallery, they had a episode and the person's name was Mr. Porter. All right. Is today the plea deadline day?
It is, Judge.
All right, so what are we doing here?
We're gonna ask the court for a trial setting.
Right. How long do you expect this trial to last? 3 days, 2 days? 2? All right. All right, State,
Yes, Judge.
this is gonna be a jury trial.
One day, Judge.
All right, so I guess we'll do it on Wednesday.
Judge, my next.
Oh, not this Wednesday. I'm just saying it will be a Wednesday.
Because I got my May pretty packed right now.
Okay.
Trials.
All right, Norma, I need a jury trial date in June. We could, well, you know what, set it on a Monday, because they're saying it's one day. We could probably do jury selection on Monday and finish it on Tuesday.
We could do it on Friday, pick them in the morning, and do it in the afternoon.
Yeah, but do they want to be here on Friday?
Yeah, on Thursday.
All right, what we'll do is,
Whole days.
you know what we'll do is we'll set it. Do y'all want to do this on a Friday? No? Good. A jury trial on a Friday. He's saying just one day.
I'd rather just do it in one day if we could do it.
All right, Norma,
Coming back.
Norma, set this on a Friday.
Insert at the most important moment affecting credibility, accountability, sentencing, probation, decision, judge's reasoning requirements. 120, 180 words explain legal significance, explain emotional significance, include at least one audience engagement, question smoothly, transition back into transcript required elements. Heavy checkmark, legal clarification. Heavy checkmark, emotional analysis. Heavy checkmark, viewer engagement question. Heavy checkmark, transition sentence.